Hey guys, do you want to learn some uncommon Ilocano words? In this video, we will uncover 3 Ilocano words. Let's start. The first word is nasain, which means diligent or in Tagalog, masipag. For example, hey bro, nasain ka men. That means he is diligent or in Tagalog, masipag siya. For a second word, gimgem, which means fish or in Tagalog, kamao. For example, sumakit gimgim ko gamit dinanog ko kating akayo. Or in English, I hurt my fist because I punched this wood. And in Tagalog, sumakit na kamao ko dahil sinuntok ko itong kahoy na to. For last word, ubleng, which means wanting to poop. Or in Tagalog, gustong tumae. For example, I want to go to the CR because I want to poop. Makubublang ako. Or in English, I want to poop. Or in Tagalog, gusto kong tumae. That's all for today's video guys. Bye-bye!